Hello dear students, in this video we are going to solve the questions given in the 1.2 the thief story. We are going to solve warming up, the questions which are given in the lesson and also the questions which are given in the English workshop. So let's start with the warming up. See, initially it is given here the incident, and on that incident one question is given here. In the given story, which words or phrases can be replaced by the following ones? देखिए, स्टोरी में कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स आए हैं जिनको कि हम इन दिए गए हुए वर्ड से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ गिवन हियर, दैट इज़ बिकेम अवेयर. बिकेम अवेयर जो है तो हम उसको रियलाइज वर्ड से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड है अलवेज. अलवेज को हम रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं इनवेरिएबली से. थर्ड, वेरी अपसेट एंड हेल्पलेस. वी कैन रिप्लेस दिस विद द डिस्परेट. Fourth one is the cheating. Cheating we can replace with the fall means. Then without working for it we can replace this with unearn. And then a sudden change we can replace sudden change with the turning point. And last one is the gain or achieve. Gain or achieve we can replace with the acquire. So this was the first question. Next question is summarize the incident in 6 to 8 lines making Lokesh the narrator. सी, ये जो इंसिडेंट यहाँ पे दिया गया है, दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो डिपेंड ऑन दैट इंसिडेंट. वी हैव टू कंसिडर द लोकेश एज ए नरेटर एंड वी हैव टू स्टार्ट द समरी विद द आई वॉज ऑलवेज अ क्लास टॉपर. सो ऑलरेडी आई हैव रीड दिस इंसिडेंट. I have summarized this with the I was always a class topper in the test and examinations. However, I have to accept that I invariably use false means to gain those high marks. Once on the day of the history examination, Farhan became desperate as he had come prepared for maths. Instead of history, I offered to let him copy from my answer sheet, but Farhan refused, saying that he did not want to score a single unearned mark and that cheating was for cowards. This was the turning point in my life, and from then I gave up cheating and learned to work hard for whatever I wanted. Okay, so next question is from the English workshop. See, two wave diagrams are given here and we have to solve these wave diagrams. In first wave diagram we have to write down the Anil's virtues यानी कि क्या होता है, किसी के अंदर की अच्छी qualities we have to write down here. So first quality is, that is the first good quality of Anil is the kind. Then next quality is the pleasant. Third quality is the simple. We are writing these all qualities of the Anil. And last quality is the easygoing. So all these qualities are given in the lesson. Then we have to write down the Hari's vices. Vices means the bad qualities of Hari we have to write down. First is the cunning. Next one is the untruthful. Third one is the shebut. And last one is the insincere. All these qualities are also given in the your lesson. Next question is insert the appropriate word or phrase given below in sentence that follows. See, in bracket some words or phrases are given here. We have to insert these words or phrases in the sentence as per their meaning or as per their suitableness. First sentence is I blank the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. We have to write down here dash to. Dash to means go somewhere very hurriedly. So I dashed to the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. Next one is the after the death of my pet dog, my blank when dad got me a new pup. So we have to write down here spirits rose. It means जब पहले डॉग की डेथ हो गई दैट टाइम ही वॉज द अपसेट, बट व्हेन उनके पापा ने जब उनको नया डॉग ला के दिया, इट इज़ जस्ट अ सेंटेंस, तो वो स्पिरिट रोज हो गया उनके अंदर. थर्ड सेंटेंस इज डू नॉट स्टॉप टू ब्लैंक जस्ट टू गेन समथिंग फ्रॉम समवन. So do not stop to flattery just to gain something from someone. Then fourth one is the artist completes his painting by fits and starts. Next one is the crime went the crime went blank for 11 years. The crime went undetected for 11 years. When the baby saw its mother is gave and blank smile, so appealing smile. Next question is find from the text the collocations for the following. We have to write down the collocations which are given in your lesson. So first word is the dog. So collocated word is the stray dog. Next word is the man. So greedy man. Third one is the ticket, so ticket office. Next one is the slowly, so walk slowly. Then drizzle, so for drizzle it is a light drizzle. Then sentences, for it wall sentences. एंड स्पिरिट्स, इट इज़ फॉर द वो स्पिरिट्स रोड्स. देखिए यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ब्लैंक आगे दिया है, इट्स थोड़ा ये जो ब्लैंक है ये पीछे से चाहिए था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कंप्लीट द कंपाउंड वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द स्टोरी. एज लाइक कोलोकेशंस हमें कंपाउंड वर्ड जो है वो भी स्टोरी से ही लिखना है. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ द ऑयल, सो कंपाउंड वर्ड इज़ ऑरेंज. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज़ द 50, कंपाउंड वर्ड इज़ 50 रुपी. Easy, then easy going. Tower, for tower it is a clock tower, and for moon it is a moonlight. Next question is the pick out from the story 3 to 4 examples of code mixing Indian words used in the English. यानी कि स्टोरी में एज इट इज स्टोरी जो है इट इज़ इन इंग्लिश. सो ऐसे कौन से मराठी वर्ड्स इसमें हैं जो इंडियन वर्ड्स है जो इसमें यूज़ किए गए हैं. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ द बाजार, मैदान, पैजामाज, ये जो तीनों वर्ड्स है इसमें यूज़ किए गए हैं. Next question, read the story carefully and complete the table. See, some points are given here in table. First point is total number of characters. As we have already learned the lesson, there are only 2 characters. Their names Anil and Hari. Third column we have to write down their age. Anil's age is the 25 and the Hari's age is the 15. Then we have to write down their physical appearance. So we will write down first of all the Anil's physical appearance, he is tall, lean with a clear unlean face, and the Hari's physical appearance is thin with many scars on the face. Then we have to write down the earn money by. So Anil earn money by writing for magazines, and Hari earn money by stealing and cheating people. So we have to write down the qualities of them. So Anil's quality is kind, simple, easygoing, pleasant, forgiving, tactful, and the qualities of Hari is a cunning, shrewd, insincere, untruthfulness, ambitious, and grateful. Next question is complete the given sentences. Half sentences are given here, we have to complete these sentences. अनिल केप्ट हरी एज अ कुक बिकॉज, अनिल ने हरी को एज अ कुक क्यों रखा? बिकॉज ही वॉन्टेड समवन टू कुक फॉर हिम, ही परहैप्स ऑल्सो फेल्ट सॉरी फॉर हरी. नेक्स्ट वन इज हरी वॉज ग्रेटफुल बिकॉज, हरी अनिल के लिए क्यों ग्रेटफुल था? बिकॉज अनिल वॉज टीचिंग हिम टू रीड, राइट एंड एड नंबर्स, एंड ऑल दीज वुड बी यूजफुल टू हिम इन हिज लाइफ. थर्ड इज द हरी कंटिन्यूड मेकिंग मनी. सो हरी कंटिन्यू मेकिंग मनी बिकॉज बाई चीटिंग, इसका जो रीज़न है वो क्या है? बाई चीटिंग अनिल वाइल बाइंग द डे सप्लाईज. फोर्थ वन इज द अनिल डिडंट हैंड हरी ओवर टू द पुलिस because Anil was probably too kind hearted to hand Hari over to the police. Last one is the moral of the story is if we are good, people are good to us in return, people are also good to us in return. Even thieves respect goodness and kindness. So next question is the think and write in your own words. So some questions are given here, we have to write down the answers. First question is, why did Anil employ Hari as cook although he could not afford to pay him? अनिल ने हरी को एज ए एम्प्लॉय क्यों रखा? क्योंकि अनिल तो उसको पे भी नहीं कर सकता था. सो इट्स आंसर इज अनिल वांटेड समवन टू कुक फॉर हिम. ही फेल्ट दैट परहैप्स हरी कुड cook for him, and in return he could feed him as he could not afford to pay him. Anil was also kind hearted and probably felt sorry for Hari. Next question is, what did Hari learn from Anil in the beginning? So answer is the Anil taught Hari to cook, Anil taught Hari to cook and to write his name. Third question is, why didn't Anil hand over Hari to the police, and what effect would it have on the Hari? And so answer is the Anil was probably too kind hearted to hand Hari over to the police. He might also have thought that he could try to make an honest man of Hari. If he had handed Hari over to the police, Hari would probably have been very bitter and angry, and would have continued in his dishonest ways. Not handing him over to the police had a positive effect on Hari and may have changed the way he lived his life. Next question is the, do you feel Anil's way of handing a thief like Hari was effective? Justify your answer. क्या यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि क्या आपको लगता है कि अनिल ने हरी जैसे थीफ को ये किया है, यानी कि उसको एक हैंडलिंग करने का एक जो वे अपनाया है अनिल ने, सो दैट करेक्ट इफ है वो या रॉन्ग है, उसका क्या हरी के ऊपर इफेक्ट है. सो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस. आंसर इज द यस. Anil's way of handling a thief like Hari was effective. Anil had realized that Hari really wished to learn to write whole sentences, get an education, and become a big man. So, by forgiving him and giving him the motivation to learn, he changed Hari, which no police action could have done. Next question is, what tact had Anil used to change Hari's dishonest ways? हरी के जो डिसऑनेस्ट वेज है उसको चेंज करने के लिए अनिल ने कौन से वेज यूज़ किए? सो आंसर इज द अनिल हैड इग्नोर्ड हरीज अटेम्प्ट्स एट robbing him. He had then tempted him by saying that they would start writing sentences, for he knew that this was what Hari wished for wholeheartedly. Anil provided motivation for Hari to change his ways. And the last question is, and the smile came by itself without any effort. Say why? When do people give fake smiles? So answer is, people give fake smiles when they are not happy with the situation they are in, or they realize that the other person is trying to cheat them, or they want to get something. Next question is, write a character sketch of Hari Singh with the help of the following points using the paragraph format. See, we have to write down the sketch of the Hari in the paragraph format. We have to use these given points. Points are given here. Hari Singh's background, his dishonesty, his aspiration, his courage to change himself. ये सभी points हमें इसको include करने हैं. So I have written this sketch. You can take the screenshot of it. Next question is the frame WH questions to get the answers underlined below. Change the first person pronouns to the second person where necessary. See, 5 sentences are given here. We have to convert these sentences in questions in order to get the underlined word as a answer. So first sentence is, I hurried back to the room. So जो to the room है इसे हमें एज आंसर लेना है. सो योर क्वेश्चन इज द वेयर डिड यू हरी बैक टू द रूम. सी यहाँ पे हरीड दिया है. सो एज दिस सेंटेंस इज द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, हमने इसका डिड लिया है और हरीड का हरी बना दिया है बिकॉज इट इज़ इन द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. नेक्स्ट इज द I had made a study of men's faces. Your answer is the what had you made. Third one is the I drew them out without sound. Your answer is the how did you draw them out. Sorry. Next one is the poor man showed acceptance. Your answer is the who showed acceptance. And the fifth is the I made tea in the morning. So when did you make tea? This will be the question. Your next question is, imagine that Anil catches Hari red-handed when Hari is stealing the money from under the mattress. Compose a short dialogue between the two given reflect Anil's shock and Hari's repeated apologies. देखिए, हमें यहाँ पे ऐसे कंसिडर करना है कि एट द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी हमने देखा था कि जो हरी है वो अनडिटेक्टेडली वो जो पैसे है वो रख देता है मैट्रेस के नीचे, लेकिन हमें यहाँ पे ऐसे कि अनिल उसे पैसे रखते समय पकड़ लेता है. एंड वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द डायलॉग बिटवीन देम. उनका कन्वर्सेशन लिखना है, किस तरीके से अनिल शॉक होता है और हरी उसको अपोलॉजिज करता है. सो दिस इज़ द कन्वर्सेशन आई हैव मेड हियर. You can take the screenshot of that. See, so let's start with this. We have completed the questions from the English workshop. So we have to start now the questions which are given in the lesson. First question is, at what is the narrator quite successful? The narrator is quite successful at stealing. Next question, who does I refer to in the story? The I in the story refers to the narrator who called himself Hari Singh. Third question, why did the narrator change his name every month? The narrator was a thief. He changed his name every month to fool the police and his former employees. Next question, what favors did Anil do for the narrator? Your answer is the Anil took Hari's room and told him that he could sleep on the balcony. Even though the meal that Hari cooked the night was terrible, Anil allowed him to live with him. He later taught Hari to cook and write his name. He also ignored the fact that Hari made a little money by cheating him while buying the day's supplies. Next question is the what could have caused the scars on Hari's face? Your answer is Hari was a thief. He probably had got into trouble and fights while robbing people. He could also have been a bad company and got into fights with his companions. or been caught by the police and been wounded. This would have led to scars on his face. Your next question is why did Hari hesitate to board the train? Hari unconsciously felt that if he left Anil, he would lose something precious. That is why he hesitated to board the train, which would take him away from Anil. Your next question: why did Hari believe that friends were more trouble than help? The answer is Hari was a thief. In his line of work, friends were probably tried to borrow from his or give out his whereabouts to the police, or perhaps they would make trouble for him to save themselves. Hence, he felt that friends were more trouble. Your next question is what is face reading? Face reading is observing the expressions and emotions on the faces of people and interpreting to them correctly. Next question is what were Hari's regrets as he pondered over his theft? Your answer is as he pondered over his theft, Hari regretted that henceforth he could not cook Anil's meal, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. He regretted that he would not become a big man, clever and respected. Next question is why did Hari feel nervous? Your answer is Hari felt nervous because he wanted to return the money but he was afraid that Anil might catch him doing it. And the last question is does Anil realize that he has been robbed? So your answer is yes, Anil realized that he has been robbed. So with this we have completed all the questions. Thank you.